This video will show you how to replace a faulty main circuit board. For this replacement, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Before starting, be sure the heater is powered off and unplugged. Turn the unit over and remove the 4 screws holding the infrared quartz insert to the wood cabinet. Turn the heater back over and carefully slide out the infrared quartz insert. Set the wood cabinet aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the plastic front panel to the insert. Then remove the 4 screws holding the control panel circuit board to the front panel. Unplug the connector as shown and remove the circuit board. Plug the connector back into the replacement board. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the board onto the front panel as shown. Then reinstall the front panel back into the insert. Carefully slide the insert back into the wood cabinet. Reinstall the screws on the bottom of the heater. Plug in the heater, turn the unit on, and test it to make sure all of the functions are working properly.